Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you haven't done so as yet, hit that subscribe button. So guys, let's get straight into this video. And this is a living area. So it's a pretty decent sized living area. Let me take it to the second level. So on the second level, we have the kitchen. This is a dining area. So this would be the second living room or the family room. Patio space. The stairs to the main level. Entry. Okay, so let me take it to the third level. This is where you find the bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1, guys. So this would be for the girls rule, women in science. So this would be for her. Here's the closet. And this is bedroom number 2. You can see through the door, the hallway bathroom. So let me show you this closet. Tower show. Sorry. We have a shower and a tub combination. Laundry room. And this is the master bedroom, guys. So this is the walk-in closet for the master bedroom. Let me take it to the master bath. So we have the tub by the window. Double vanity. And the shower. It would be nice if it was frameless glass. It would be really nice. But there's a frame. Ooh. There's that frame. There we have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for the support so far. I really do appreciate it. So love you guys.